wedding kick-off to the Atlantic, Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico. It's no surprise that the Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico are two of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. Kitesurfing and whitewater rafting abound in the Dominican Republic, which is also one of the Caribbean's most historically significant destinations. Despite its tiny size, Puerto Rico boasts some of the world's most beautiful beaches and rich cultural heritage. Imagine a tropical paradise while you close your eyes. Beaches with powder white sands that are as transparent as a sheet of glass. Also, do your hands tremble? A holiday in the Dominican Republic is what you've been looking for. Punta Cana is the ideal destination if you want to unwind and relax. It's the idyllic Caribbean seaside town that only exists in the imagination. When visiting the Dominican Republic, be prepared for the unexpected. This place has it all: miles of undeveloped coastline, a fascinating culture, and an unexpected blend of influences that can be found in everything from food to music and art. Stunning beaches, crystal clear oceans, and a year-round environment make for an unforgettable beach holiday. The right hotel for your trip is here, whether you require an affordable inclusive resort, a premium spa hotel, or a great family-friendly resort. However, when you delve deeper into a topic, you learn about this diversified location's genuine character. Learn the merengue, sample Latin American cuisine, and be enchanted by the old-world elegance of Santo Domingo while you're there. Are you looking for a break from the drudgery of the 9-to-5 routine? We think you'll fall in love with San Juan. San Juan is Puerto Rico's largest and most important seaport, and as a result, it contributes significantly to the island's economy. Travel to San Juan and take in the city's many facets, from its historic forts to its contemporary skyline, when you're on holiday. It is located in North America's oldest European settlement, and boasts a rich cultural and historical legacy. If you're in the area, don't miss out on visiting Fort San Felipe del Morro, Fort San Cristobal, or La Fortaleza. Tourist attractions in and around San Juan include hotels, art galleries, museums, restaurants, and retail malls close to the beach. Immersing your senses in joy to behold with good vibes only.